So namaskar all of you. Welcome to this presentation. This is basically the batch notification for the civil service batches for UPSC and OPSC for January 2021. The detailed PDF or the brochure of this particular video is available in the link given in the description section. So I'll directly go to the dates in which we are starting. Okay, you can download it and you can go through the details. So why to join Arohan classes? Various reasons are there. I'll elaborate one by one. One is personal guidance. In our integrated batch, which is basically prelims, mains and viva, we ensure that there is personal guidance. Okay, it's not that there will be around 50 or 100 people in a batch. Okay, so we have very limited batch size of around 20 students in a batch, and that is the reason the faculty can interact directly one-to-one with the students. Also ensure that whatever they are writing, that is properly evaluated in the class itself. Okay, in the integrated batch. So that is number one, and plus whatever doubts the students have, academic or related to selection of optionals, etc., or anything related to the exam, so the faculty and the mentors are always available. Next, till success courses means if you are joining the integrated batch, then till you crack the exam, you will continue in the institute. Okay, that means in the new batches also you will be able to get the training, you will be able to get the videos, you will also get the test series, etc. Okay, because everyone will not be able to clear in the first attempt. So that is the reason till the candidate is successful, we take it as our responsibility. Okay, so that is till success courses. That means till you crack the exam, you can continue and in the new batches, and there will be no extra fees charged for that. Okay. Next, batch size is very limited. As I told you, each batch will be around 20 students. Okay. Next, exclusive study materials and test series. So we are having open test series also, which is like open to everyone. On our Telegram channel, you must be seeing every day we have some kind of open tests and all. But for the integrated students, you have the detailed solutions of those tests. Okay, so that you can understand and revise. And also there are different test series which are exclusively for the integrated students. Okay, those test series or those tests are not available outside. Okay, so next, most cost effective education. So if you see the course fee that Arohan classes charges for the entire course, that is prelims, mains and interview, including your optionals, so that is probably the least in Odisha. Okay, so most cost effective education, and if you are going for online classes, then it is half, the course fee is half of the classroom batch. Okay, so if you compare our entire course, especially in the classroom as well as the online batch, okay, that is less than the only GS course of many of the institutes. Okay, so that you can compare, you can go through the demo videos. Once the classroom batches start, you can also come and have a demo in the classroom. Okay, once the government of Odisha allows us to open the coaching centers. Okay, next, excellent previous results. You can see the videos of various toppers on our YouTube channel. There is a particular section on the toppers playlist, you can go through that. All classes are provided through video as well, so there is no chance of missing classes. That means even if you are joining the online batch, then everything you are getting in video. There will be live classes also, and there will be recorded classes also. Recorded classes are like, a deferred live 1 hour, 1 day. That means today's class will be available to you tomorrow. Okay, and live classes will also be there. Okay, even for the classroom students, those who have joined the classroom batch, even if you are attending the class, the same class, the recording of the class is also provided in your student dashboard. So you can, revise it, or you can go through it again, or in case you are unable to attend, you miss some classes. Okay, actually you are not missing any content, because you will get that in your dashboard. You can, suppose there is a medical emergency, or you have to go somewhere, 6-7 days you are not attended the classes. Okay, so those 7 days classes you can, on the same day itself or 1 day after that, through your account anywhere in the world, you can access it. Okay, so that facility is also given to our integrated batch classroom students. Okay, next, special answer writing batch for UPSC by UPSC qualified resource person. So the sir who is taking, Mishra sir who is taking the classes, he has qualified UPSC 3 times, and specifically for those who are preparing for UPSC, he takes the writing batch for GS and his optional sociology. Okay, next, study room and library facility. So we have the AC study room and library facility, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That is the 12 hours timing you have, morning 8 to evening 8. You can come and use the library facility. Library facility is limited to our integrated batch students. Okay, and some exceptions may be there. So you will get your card, library card, and using that you can access the library facility. So the dates for the new batches in January 2021, that is 11th, 18th and 25th, that is on Mondays. Okay, 11th, 18th and 25. Modes, it is classroom batches. On these 3 dates, 11, 18 and 25, we will be starting the classroom batches if Government of Odisha permits coaching centers or all educational institutions to open. As of now, that is as of Saturday 9th of January, government has permitted only schools standard 10th and 12th, and also universities and technical institutes and all, PG and UG final year. Okay, so in that category, coaching centers won't go under that category. So we have to wait for the government notification. But 11th, 18th and 25th, we are starting the online batches. Okay, and if government allows within this date, then same day offline batch will also start. Okay, what you can do is, many students, like they have done since March 2020, you can join the online batch, and when the offline batch starts, you can convert to the offline batch by paying the difference of the course fee. Okay. So in the online batch, as I told you, we have live and recorded classes, both classes are there. So what is included in the integrated batch? We have general studies, your optional papers and compulsory papers. What optionals we are providing, I'll tell you. Then daily, weekly and monthly tests are there. To attend these tests, anyone can attend. These are freely available on our Telegram channel, but the detailed explanation PDF and the question PDFs are accessible to the integrated batch students. Okay, so daily, weekly and monthly tests are there. Study material, textbooks and test series, that is included. As I told you, classroom test series is different from the general test series, which you can purchase from outside. Okay, so there are some dedicated tests for the integrated batch students, and the number of questions that come from these tests are quite high in the exam. Okay, then classes 7 days a week, so we don't have any holidays as such. Okay, 7 days a week only on national holidays. Okay, that too, on those days, on national holidays, you have online classes or discussions or seminars or webinars. Okay, repeaters batch free of charge till success after 1 year. So this integrated batch duration is 1 year. In 1 year, we will complete your optionals, your GS, your compulsory papers. Okay, but you can continue till success. Means the repeaters batch, suppose God forbid someone is not selected in the first attempt, okay, and for the second or third attempt, so till he cracks the exam, he will continue, or he can continue, he can choose to continue with us without any extra course fee. What I mean by choose to continue is, you will be able to give the new tests in the new batches that will be accessible to you, okay, and the new lectures, okay, some new faculty comes and he is taking the lecture in a subject in which a previous faculty was taking, right, in which you had attended. So you can attend those classes also, and those videos also will be accessible to you. Okay, these are the optionals that we are offering: geography, political science and IR, public administration, psychology, sociology, home science, education, agriculture, history and forestry. Some more optionals may be added once the classes open. So once those optionals start, we will be informing you. So e-learning batches, those who are unable to come to the centers, or those who have any other issues, maybe after the corona pandemic, many people are also apprehensive that should I go and sit in a class with 10, 15, 20 students. So if you feel in that way, then you can also join the online batch. There is no difference between the online and offline batch. The only difference here at Aarohan is that offline students, they are physically present. Otherwise, the same books, same printed material, same test series, same guidance is given to the online batch students also. Okay, and the advantage is that you can study according to your own pace. Okay, some people can study 6 to 8 hours, they can watch videos of 6 to 8 hours per day. Some people want more time, they will watch 2 hours per day. Okay, you can study in the safety of your home. That means, as I told you, various issues are there, corona related, or some may be food related. Some people generally, it's very difficult for them to stay in a hostel or in a mess and eat outside food. Okay, whatever, if you have any such issues, you can go for the online batch. As I told you, biggest advantage of online batch is the price is half of the regular classroom batch, and all facilities are same. Okay, even there is contact program. Okay, on Sundays, once the institute open, contact program at Bhubaneswar Center is also there for the online batch student. Means whatever doubts you have, or you want to have a one-to-one discussion with the mentors and all. So on alternative Sundays, that is on second and fourth Sunday, okay, it is generally given in your group. You can come and you can discuss, okay, and you can give some tests and all those things in the center, right? So same facilities, including printed study material as classroom students, same material. And online course does not mean that you will get only PDFs. PDFs are openly available, okay, but you will get the printed books just like the classroom students, and it is cost effective. It is half of the fees of the regular classroom program. Now coming to the course fee. So integrated course fee for regular integrated batch, okay, that is lifetime till success, that is inclusive of your taxes. So essay, there are many students who just want to take GS, essay and compulsory paper, that is 40,000 rupees. Okay, this includes prelims and mains. Okay, then each optional is 25,000 rupees, but someone wants to take the entire module, that is 80,000 rupees. Okay, you can talk with the office, okay, and over this 80,000, if you are paying in lump sum, okay, you are getting a 10% fee waiver. Okay, that you discuss with the office when you inquire about the course. Okay, so this I was talking about the regular classroom batch. Now coming to the weekend classroom batch. So there are some students who basically want to come on Saturdays and Sundays, okay, and they want to continue with the studies, okay, and Monday to Friday they have their offices, or they have some other work. So the weekend batch costs rupees 50,000 total, prelims, mains plus optionals. So here what happens, because in only Saturday, Sunday you cannot complete the entire course, it will take around 2 years or something, okay, if you go in detail. So what happens is, all the regular class videos that is provided to you, that is from Monday to Friday, okay, and Saturday and Sunday you come to the classroom, right? So you basically are a part of the regular batch in a sense, because whatever every day the classes are there, you get the videos. Okay. So again, same study material and test series as the integrated regular batch. Okay, this is the Saturday and Sundays. This is the weekend batch, those who are interested for the weekend batch. And those who are interested in the online batch, for example, you can't come to the center, okay, and you want to study online only, so it is 40,000, okay, for prelims, mains and optionals. So same thing, videos of regular classes Monday to Friday, Sunday contact class twice a month. So this twice a month basically is second and fourth Sunday, because on those days it's basically more students turn up, okay, because second and fourth Saturday is holiday in many of the offices, okay. So Sunday, second and fourth Sunday generally you have the contact classes. So if you have doubts, if you want to interact, you can come over to the Bhubaneswar center. Same study materials and test series as the integrated regular batch, okay. So these batch timings are different at Cuttack and Bhubaneswar. You need to contact the respective centers, okay. I'll tell you later what is the class timings. Study material in GS you get 14 books, that is for prelims, mains and compulsory. 14 books are there. In optionals you get 2 books for each optional, okay. Test series, 70 tests are there for prelims. This is apart from the 50 questions per day, which is the open test you get every day, okay. Then mains you get 40 tests, GS compulsory and essay, and 30 for each optional, okay. And as I told you, there are daily tests for prelims and mains that you can go to our Telegram channel and anyone can give the test. But the PDF questions and the detailed explanation, that is available to the integrated batch students only. So if you have any other questions, queries, you can WhatsApp me. If you want to meet me also in Bhubaneswar center, you can WhatsApp and take a particular time when I am available. I will give you the time slot, 15 minutes or half an hour time slot. So you can take the time slot excuse me, and come and visit, okay. 9437002210, that's my WhatsApp number. If you want to call the centers directly or visit the centers directly, these are the numbers of the centers: 76840 54656 and 73259 okay. So this is for Cuttack, second one, first one is for Bhubaneswar, okay. So all the best for your preparation for this exam. It's a very competitive exam. It's known as the mother of all exams, if you can say in that way, the civil service exam, okay. So with a proper strategy you start your preparation, okay. Best wishes to all of you. Thank you.